So one of the biggest reasons I would recommend all people in the crypto NFT space to start researching gaming projects, gaming NFTs and gaming tokens is this. This is the chart of how popular are the NFTs right now. And now let's check some gaming tokens on CoinMarketCap. So right now you can see how fast the Web3 gaming tokens are going up. And we have not even reached the Bitcoin previous all-time high, which usually indicates when the bull run actually starts and the retail and the normies or 99% of people actually come in. So if gaming tokens are going up so much right now, you can only imagine how much the gaming tokens and gaming projects or NFTs will grow in this next bull run euphoria, and I think it will be insane. And looking at the fact that we are still so low in the NFT trends on the Google search, when you check out the actual statistics, you start to realize how early we actually are. And many people think that they are already too late in these tokens and projects because they have done the 3x or 5x or 7x. But looking at the whole space, we are actually the OGs of this Web3 gaming space. So I want to tell you that you are not too late, you are too early, and keep researching in this space. The opportunities will be endless, and we are extremely early because Bitcoin hasn't reached the previous all-time high yet. And yeah, I'm extremely bullish on the Web3 gaming.